Everyone, and welcome back to today's video. Today I am gonna bring you guys it's not really fall, but it's like holiday makeup, but it's not like Christmas yet. It's more like Thanksgiving. If you guys want to see how I achieve this makeup look, then go ahead and keep on watching. If you guys are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that thumbs up button just so you guys can give me an idea of what kind of content you guys like here on my channel. If you guys would like to, you guys can actually hit that notification bell as well. That will just inform you every time I upload a video so you guys don't miss out on a future upload. And if you guys are curious, I do have a lot of social medias linked down below in my description box. I do have 2 Instagram handles where one, I mostly just post my makeup looks and just selfies, and then a lot of the health and like my skin and just like workouts and stuff like that you guys can find on my other health Instagram. And if you guys are interested in peeking at that, don't forget to check the description box for my Instagram handles. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into today's video.
I know it's hard when you don't get the time to do the things you gotta do.
Okay guys, so to start this makeup look, I'm using this Becca primer. This really helps absorb any type of oiliness so I don't get all oily throughout the day. And I usually only use that in my T-zone because that's where I get the most oiliest, is that a word? For foundation, I use a combination of this stick foundation and a liquid. I find that this really helps give the most coverage. So if you guys are wanting to go out with your friends or family and you're trying to cover up some stuff, then you guys can definitely use 2 different type of foundations, and I really find that this helps with coverage. But other than that, I just usually buff in my foundation with a beauty sponge. I always use the Real Techniques beauty blend, or not even, sponge, not a beauty blender, sponge. And just buff this in until I get it all the way smoothed out as much as I would like. Then I take concealer, and then I usually put that underneath my eyes. And I don't know about you guys, but I don't use a whole lot of product. I feel like people cake on the concealer from like all the way from one side of the face to the other. And I literally just put like a tiny little triangle, because when you think about it, when you're applying concealer, you're going to buff that concealer in and drag it to the outside of your eye, and it's going to get distributed throughout the rest of your makeup. And you really just don't need all that product, and that's where you can start to get cakey and have dry under eyes. So make sure you guys are using a little less product if you guys are having issues like that. But other than that, I'm just going to start bronzing my face, and I usually just take this around on my cheekbones and around my face by my eyebrows and then my forehead. And I also like to contour my nose a little bit once in a while. I'll take it up the bridge of my nose just to make myself look a little bit slimmer. To clean up your bronzer so it doesn't look so muddy, I usually take a setting powder and kind of just make a straight line, just carving out the bronzer, just making it look a lot cleaner and just a smoother transition instead of looking like I pretty much just put bronzer all over my face. This really helps just define your cheekbones and helps you look a little bit slimmer as well. So here I'm just taking a Morphe palette. I will have it listed in the description because I don't remember exactly which one it is at the moment. But what I do for any makeup look, I start with a soft brown shade. And this really helps with transition and blending and just making sure everything just ties together. This is me just working my way up, because I've always said this in my previous makeup tutorials, but you want to work from softer to darker, or just from lighter to heavier, because when you guys work from heavier and you start off heavy first, it's going to be a lot harder to blend, and be able to get a more smoother transition and get all your accurate colors laid down. But when you work your way up and start little by little, then you guys can really see that fade, like sunset effect, where you guys can see the multiple colors, multiple shades, and that's what's really going to help with blending and make a more beautiful, like transitional eyeshadow look. And I think that's what has helped me a lot recently, because I used to pack on colors and then try to blend them out and it just didn't look so good. So definitely try working soft and then working your way up if you guys need any help with your eyeshadow blending.
I know it's hard when you don't get the time to do the things you gotta do. Always moving forward, always.
So here I'm just applying some glitter glue, and I'm just applying this glitter on top of it. This is what's going to help keep it into place and not move. Wherever the glue is where the glitter is going to stay. If you didn't put glue, it's not going to stay. And I really like this color here. I have never used it before. It's from the brand e.l.f. and I will have it in the description box as well, because oh my goodness, it turned out stunning. It was so beautiful in the eyes, and I just love how soft it is, but then so powerful it is to increase or enhance the look, to make it look more fancy or holiday glam type of look. So I'm obsessed. And here I'm just going to apply some blush and warm up my cheeks a little bit, and then I also apply highlighter. I usually do my cheekbones, my nose, the bridge of my nose, and then underneath my brow bone, and you guys will see that here as well.
Go, I hope you take a moment to take it slow. Let me be the one to ease you.
Guys, so that is everything for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. If you guys like videos like these, don't forget to give that video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in a future video. Bye guys.
For